Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Monday morning weather hazard briefing for southeast Idaho. Looking at a weather impact summary slide, we have a frost freeze warning that's continuing this morning until 9 a.m. We may yet see another frost in the upper valley overnight tonight. We'll wait and see for that product later today. A ridge of high pressure will build in across the region, bringing unseasonably warm and dry conditions to the area through the week. Looking at current satellite imagery, here we see that high pressure ridge positioned along the northwest coast. That'll essentially expand inland over the next several days and continue to provide protective cover as the storm track arcs up into Canada. Our weather impact summary slide, we have a freeze in the upper valley and a frost down in the eastern Magic Valley today or this morning. We could see yet another frost advisory in the upper valley overnight tonight. Other than that, we have warmer conditions on the way as that high-pressure ridge spreads into the region. Looking at our storm track, here we are looking at noon today. High-pressure ridge centered over the Oregon coast. Storm track well up into Canada and then off into the Dakotas. That'll provide protective cover for southeast Idaho. Low temperatures this morning generally in the upper 20s here in the upper Snake River Plain, and then from Pocatello westward through the Magic Valley, it looks like we could see frosty type conditions, at least this morning. Hence the reason for the freeze warning in the upper valley and the frost advisory down here in the lower valley and eastern Magic Valley until 10 a.m. this morning. Daytime highs today should be nice and pleasant, with readings generally in the 60s throughout the Snake River Plain. Mid-50s to mid-60s in the Central Mountains, and similar readings here across the Southeast Highlands. Should be fairly dry with minimum humidities during the afternoon, generally in the upper 20s to or upper teens to lower 20s here in the Snake River Plain, and generally in the 20s to low 30s in the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands. Jumping ahead to Thursday, we see that high-pressure ridge still anchored across the west here, has expanded further east to include the northern Great Basin. Storm track well into Canada. Not expecting to see anything through the week except dry conditions and warming daytime highs. Here we are looking at the high temperatures on Thursday, closing in on 80 down here in the eastern Magic Valley. Generally in the upper 60s to mid-70s in the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands, with minimum daytime humidities in the teens down here in the Snake River Plain and upper teens and 20s here in the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands. So in summary, we have a frost freeze warning out this morning until 10 a.m. We may yet see another frost in the upper valley tonight. And then with the ridge expanding inland, we expect unseasonably warm and dry conditions through the week. That was all I had for you this morning. If you had any comments or questions, please give us a call here at the number on the screen. Thank you.